Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue learning CSS and today we are learning new properties. These properties help you to control position your element in your layout. Okay, first we need to clear our code from our last lesson. Okay, now let's look at the window. This is button. We create this button in our last lesson and okay, now I show you the first property. Its name transform. It has any properties like translate. Thanks to translate, you can control element position X and Y. Let's try. Like you see, position our element is changed. But you can ask why we need this property if we can to change position our element using position absolute and top left right. Is because when we using position we don't can control speed our animation. Different is property transform, we can control speed. Let's combine this property with hover and you'll see it in the example. And also we change our animation because it's too slowly. Okay, you see our element is moved, but it moves more slowly and it's very useful for create animation. And we also can control and also we can using the properties like scale. Thanks to this property you can change size your element. And also we can using rotate. This property needs to using with DAG. And let's look. Our button is turn and it's very interesting for create animation, and thanks to this property we can create any animation like model window and accordions and other features. Maybe in future we'll create some difficult animation using these properties. Let's try to create some animation thanks to this property. We create keyframe and here we can to split our animation into parts. First parts we can using this property, and the finish animation we can using another data. And let's create item. added some styles like background color, width and height, and look at the window. Okay, let's try to animate. And also we can we change color because red is very bad choice. Okay, connect our animation. We can add a time, and we can add how many times our animation will be work. Let's try 4. Okay, let's edit reverse. Okay, like you see, you can create any animation and different things using these properties. And thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next lesson.